SMT Thermal Discoveries are the experts in thermal processes from -50 degrees Celsius up to 450 degrees Celsius. With highly stable reflow soldering systems, vacuum soldering to reduce voiding in solder joints, whether you need temperature treatment systems with standard equipment or flexible solutions, SMT Thermal Discoveries have the machine to your thermal challenges.
Okay, welcome to the Controller stand here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by Fernando Leite. Yes, and yes, you're one of the CEOs of the company.
Correct, that's me.
Yes. So,
nice to meet you.
Fernando, tell us a little bit about Controller.
Okay, so Controller is a global company. We started from Portugal, but now we are all over the world, close to our customers. Our mission is to be always very close to our customers. So we're present in Mexico, Malaysia, India, different countries that we have special customers there to support.
And you essentially manufacture in-circuit test systems which you can automate as either inline varieties or offline or outline.
Correct. We are consider an automation company, system integrator. We don't produce the in-circuit test instrumentation, but we integrate different instrumentation from different companies.
Okay, so you do other instruments other than just bed of nails testing and stuff like this?
We do from the beginning of the line of the production of the PCB. We start in the programming, then the ICT, then the functional test, and then at the end, when the product is closed, we also build the machines for assembly machines and end-of-line testing machines.
Really? Okay. So when you say assembly machines in the box build?
Yeah, assembly machines completely in the automation of the product.
Interesting.
And at the end, when the product's finished, we also make the end-of-line testing with the products finished.
Right. Now, this model we see behind us is an inline model. It's got 3 units. Explain to me a little bit about how it works.
So in this case, what we have here as an example, how we can do it from the ICT. This is an ICT machine we can integrate. In this case, is from Teradyne, the instrumentation.
Okay. Yep.
So we integrate in Teradyne instrumentation. We do the ICT. And in this, we start doing the flash. We normally also
the flash programming.
So we can integrate SMH, other flashes. Depends on the product, depends on the customer. And in this case, we have an end-of-line testing.
Okay.
So it's an example of how we can do it. We can have more machines. They are like serial machines, but they work like in parallel. Because they have a pass-through conveyor where the board can go from one machine to the other without being
so it doesn't. They don't have to all go in sequence. They can actually pass through underneath and go to the next unit.
They can pass through while this one is on testing, and we can have several of the same kind. They can have like 2 or 3 making the programming, the flashing.
Okay.
Because normally it takes more time for flash, and we need to have more. So when one is programming, I can go to the other and do this kind of.
Okay, and then further down the line, you've got another unit there that's doing at-line, which is using essentially just a robot to feed the boards onto the inspection system.
Yes, most of our customers are going to the inline testing, but they are also using offline. Means that it's not completely continuous. They have some machines offline. So we have also the typical offline machine that you can use by an operator to introduce the PCB.
Right.
In this case, we're demonstrating to use a robot to load and unload the machine.
Okay, great. Okay. Super. Okay, well, thank you for showing us these machines just now. I assume these are your latest units, but they're available now?
Yeah, there's also, on the other hand, also some other machines on testing end products. We are testing a radar. So we call it the parts. It's also a new machine that can analyze all the radar characteristics of for cars.
So it's like a metrology machine for measuring.
But measuring the electronic signals, the radio frequency.
Okay.
Is also our area of radio frequency is very important.
Right. Excellent. Okay. For RF. Great. Well, thank you for giving us an overview of that today, Fernando.
Thank you.
And we look forward to seeing more from you sometime in the future.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.